So, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is a very special day because finally, na-turn over na yung 2-bedroom unit natin here in McKinley Hill. So, before natin siya ipa-renovate, so si Sir Yuzon din yung mag-renovate sa kanya. So, before natin ipa-renovate, let me show to you muna ano yung unit niya ngayon. So, ano yung pagka-turnover sa kanya ni Mega World. So, para makita niyo yung before and after nung renovation. So, eto na siya. So, this is a 2-bedroom unit. It's around 69 square meters. So, ito yung kitchen area. So, here. Let's go inside. So, we're planning na papanak daw namin ito. Ayan. So, papanak daw para mas maluwag siyang tingnan. So, papapalitan din yung mga cabinets, ayan. And then, this is the location for the fridge. So, lahat na to is provided already ni Mega World. And this one is a maid's room. So, let's go inside. So, we're planning to put another, ano siya? Kitchen countertop. Parang gano'n. Kitchen, no? Parang gano'n. So, and then another cabinet. And then, dito is the location for the washer and dryer. But, di na ka namin lalagyan yun. And this one is for the maid's room. Ay, maid's toilet and bath. So, asan naman na? Ayan. So, okay natin. Ayan. So, let's go naman dun sa living and dining area. So, dito sa side, ang ganda, liwanag, and basta na siya. So, ito yung dining area, and then, this will be the location naman for the living area. So, medyo spacious na siya. So, a little bit bigger from our previous unit. Or okay. So, floor to ceiling glass din. And then, may AC na din siya kasama, so we don't have to buy na. So, bigay na din siya or provided na din siya ni Mega World. So, now, ito naman yung hallway going sa bedrooms. Let's go. So, this is the bedroom 2. Lalang ilaw. So, ayan, this is the bedroom 2. So, our plan here is to make it like walk-in closet, mini walk-in closet. So, hindi kami maglalagay ng bed, sofa bed lang. So, for our visitors, clientels, mga cabinets. And then, this is our master's bedroom. So, hindi ko pa rin napakita sa inyo yung balcony kanina. So, may balcony din sa living, may balcony din dito sa master's bedroom. So, huwag na natin i-open. And then, may AC din. So, ito. So, around queen size bed will fit dito sa bedroom. And then, ito yung common toilet and bath. So, spacious din siya. Pasok kayo. So, di na namin papalagyan ng door enclosure kasi ang hirap linisin, ang hirap i-maintain. So, natutuyo naman siya. So, okay na yan. So, turn off natin. So, that's it guys. So, balik tayo nito para mas maganda ang view. So, that's it guys. So, this is our newly turned over 2-bedroom unit here in McKinley Hill. And dito na tayo mag-move in soon. So, and then yung previous unit natin, ipapa-Airbnb na natin siya. So, once ready na lahat, I'll share with you yung mga Airbnb links para you can try them or you can stay din dun sa unit. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!